Hello YouTube, you're welcome to the Product Technologies, and today welcome to my Excel tutorial stock world. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link an Excel spreadsheet to a Word document so you can pull data from Excel into Word. So this is going to be useful in generating forms or massive mailing or whatever you want to use it to. So please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red button below so you get our updates. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and also comment so we improve on our teaching method, or we know how we've been doing. So firstly, if you need to do this, what you will open is you will need the Word and your Excel sheet open. So right here we're in the Excel. So in this course I decided to use 4 attributes. That's the name, status, and school, and also the program. So with this, you make sure you align them in a straight line. So we're going to highlight from here to this place, and we're going to insert the table, and then make sure this is selected, my table. I'll say click on OK. So below here we're going to put the name to be under status, PT or part-time, school, health, program. Just gonna take, let's see, that's good. Software, so software engineering. I'm gonna put them engineering, status, full-time, FT, and the name we're going to put Noel, Franca, we're going to put Joel, see, so put PT, put anything, just put whatever name you want to give it here, and I'll put education. Okay, so from here now, make sure you save this file. So we're going to save this as you save it where in whatever disk or location will be comfortable for you to gain access to. So we're going to save this in our document, and I will name this. We are going to name this information, and click on save. So what we need to do now is to go to our Word document right here in the Word, and the first thing is we're going to go to the mailing, and from here we're going to go to select recipients. So we're going to go to use existing list. From here now we're going to go to our document where you saved your file, your Excel file. So we'll collect this information that has been selected. So this is getting slow here. So once this is selected, you go to open, and open it. And right here we have 3 sheets. So I'm going to just get a quick show you. So we have sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. So you can notice that sheet 3, sheet 2 is empty. So we're going to take this sheet 1. So this is what we've worked on. So this will be selected, and make sure this is checked. So we're going to click on OK. And right here we're just only going to click type, that's the name, and status, school, and program, and really quick we'll highlight this. So we're gonna give it some clarity. So right here I'm going to change this to time Roman, give it a font of 12 or 14, I'm going to change the writing to black so it can be clear. So on this name, we're going to go right before where we want to, or in the space where we want to include the information. So we're going to go back to mailing, and right here we're going to go to insert page field. So we're going to do this. So I'm going to check name. So we're going to get rid of this. So go to status, and then go to status, school, sorry, yeah, school, right here, I'm going to go to program, and here we have all our necessary information. So what if we want to preview now to get to see our automatic form? The thing we have to go still to mailing, and right here you go to preview results. So we're going to take preview result. As you can see, Brian Abanda, PT, part-time health nursing. So we're going to go to our Excel and check Brian, PT, health nursing. So the second is Noe Franca, FT, engineering software. So we'll go to award. So what if we want to get the next student or the next person? We're just really going to go right here, and you click on this part to next record, next record. We have Noe Franca, FT, engineering software. So next record or next student, we're going to go to here, next, and we're going to have Joel Francis. If you go to your Excel, you're going to see Joel Francis, PT Baba. So right here, Joel Francis, PT Baba, education. So I think that is really quick for this tutorial, and please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you get all latest updates. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. See you next time. Let's restore the